Getting a clogged duct can be a literal pain in the boob. Hi, my name is Luna with Legendary Milk, and today we're chatting about clogs and one technique to help resolve them. If you're new to this channel and want to stay in the loop every time we post helpful breastfeeding tips and tricks, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Now, sometimes clogs seem to come out of nowhere. Luckily, they can often be taken care of at home so you can continue to nurse or pump. Other times, a clogged duct may be more tricky to resolve. One technique you can try at home are castor oil compresses. They can help to reduce inflammation and support the release of that stubborn clog. You'll cut a piece of cotton flannel to a size big enough to cover the area you'll be using it on. Soak the cloth in that castor oil. You want the cloth to be saturated but not dripping. Apply the cloth to the affected area. Then cover the cloth and a little extra area with plastic wrap to help hold it in place. This will also help keep the oil more contained. Castor oil is quite messy and will stain, so don't wear your favorite shirt. Next, put a heat pack or hot water bottle over the castor oil pack and leave on the affected breast for at least 20 minutes. After you're done with the pack, you're going to want to wash your skin with warm, soapy water so your baby doesn't taste the castor oil at your next feed. Sunflower lecithin is also often used as a supportive tool if you're prone to clogged ducts or milk blebs, with most women seeing results within 24 to 48 hours. Our free guide with even more tips on how to resolve a clog is also linked below. Thanks for watching, and please report back if a castor oil compress works for you.